This is the recording for the Continuing Algebra Unit 6 Factoring Expressions Test, Part 2. Part 2 is a constructive response. Make sure to answer all parts to earn maximum points. Be sure to show your work or explain where necessary. You may type your responses right on the Word document or print and write on the document. Notice you must complete this assignment on your own. You may not use any external resources such as websites or online calculators. Copying and pasting work or solutions from such sites will result in an automatic 0 score on the entire assignment. Make sure you are showing your own work and answers. You are allowed to use calculators for adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing numbers, but not any special calculators for helping with polynomials. So, factor each expression completely. You must show your work for each problem to earn full credit. Question number 1. Factor completely. T to the 6th power minus 64. If you wish to work on this problem now, pause the recording, and when you're ready to go to question number 2, hit play. Question number 2, factor completely. Y squared plus 5y minus 84. Again, to work on this problem, hit pause, and when you're ready for the next question, hit play. Question number 3, factor completely. 18x to the 4th minus 72x squared. Pause to work on this problem and play when you're ready for the next question. Question number 4, factor completely. 9p squared minus 54p plus 72. Pause to work on this problem. Play when you're ready for the next one. Question number 5, simplify. X squared minus x minus 6 divided by x squared minus 9. Save all changes to your document, or if you printed it out and wrote on it, you need to scan that finished document back into the computer and go to the Tools, Assignments, and submit your document to the 6.4 Factoring Expressions Unit Test Part 2. You'll see it right here under your assignment tool, and you're all done. Make sure you come back to read feedback and make corrections if necessary and resubmit for regrading.